It is Dragon Black, and my super weapon is finally ready to use. I will find Red Dragon. Thanks for the light. You're welcome. The door just closed. Might be the mutant seal I just put in there to scare Dragon Red. So, we're going to find him and try to bring him into coughing. Okay, we're here. So, hey Dragon Red. Hello. Hey, what you got there? That's some high-tech things. Yeah, awesome, right? I know, right? So, didn't you say you're going to make a video? Is this it? Yeah, is it cool? Oh, awesome. I love it. But hey, what's the plot of your video? Coughing. You know, that doesn't really fit with the vibe of COVID-19, you know? Whatever. God. What? What is this? Oh my God. I totally did not see that coming. Where'd that come from? Stupid tree. You dare spray water on my brother. Okay. Brother, I'm going to get you some tissues and wipe you clean. But first I'm going to complete this episode. Okay. Our plan worked perfectly. He didn't suspect a thing. My brother, he's so gullible. What did you say? Nothing. Oh, as I said. That's the super weapon. Okay, that does it for this episode. Bye.